Finally, after months and months of leaks, we have our first look and we can feast our eyes upon the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series. Well, it is a huge difference from what we had on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and this device is significantly going to change the market dynamics in terms of flagship devices and their features. So, in this video, let's have a look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. This is Akash here and you are watching Tech Infinity. So, the basic premise of this video will be that I will be comparing both of these devices and at the same time mentioning the things that are common between them. So the differences start from the display. At first glance, you may see that Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus are exactly similar, just the Note 10 is smaller. Well, the Note 10 has a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with a pixel density of 401, while the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a pixel density of 498 pixels per inch and a Quad HD Plus panel. Both are dynamic AMOLED panels with support for HDR10 Plus and dynamic tone mapping. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will be available in a single variant which will be having 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, which is not expandable. Moving on, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus on the other hand will be packing 12GB of RAM with storage options of 256GB and 512GB internal storage. It also has the support for microSD card slots up to 1TB. This is kind of interesting that the smaller variant does not get a memory card slot. Once again, there will be a 5G variant of the phone in South Korea. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus will be available in Aura Glow, Aura White, Aura Black colors. The Galaxy Note 10, which packs a 3500 mAh battery, will be available in red, pink color options, while the bigger Galaxy Note 10 Plus sports a mammoth 4300 mAh battery, which will be available in blue color option as well. Do note that not all colors will be available in all the markets, so we'll have to watch out for launch events in your particular country and region. Moving on to the pricing. Well, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 price is set at $949, that is roughly 67,000 rupees, but Samsung has already announced the pricing for India, so that will be priced at 70,000 rupees, while the Note 10 Plus starts at $1,100, which starts at 80,000 rupees in India for the 256GB storage variant. And the highest end variant, which has 512GB of internal storage, is priced at $1,200, which probably won't be launching in India. Both the models will go up for pre-orders today itself and will start shipping from 23rd August. On the other hand, the Note 10 Plus 5G model is priced at $1,300, that is up roughly 92,000 rupees for the 256GB storage version, while $1,400 is the price tag for the 512GB storage version. The pre-orders will go exclusively via Verizon in the US from midnight of August 8th. Shipping dates are similar on August 23rd. As rumored, the biggest shock is that this device does not have a headphone jack. So it makes it the first Samsung flagship device not to have a headphone jack. And it is kind of saddening to see that they have done away with the headphone jack, because this will cause all kind of ripples, and this will not just affect the Note series but also other Samsung devices, because well, Note series is their flagship device. This is the place where they sell the things that actually work and not give any gimmicky stuff. But now they have removed the headphone jack from here, and you could expect that even devices like the Samsung Galaxy S11 series and other mid-range and higher end devices from Samsung will be excluding the headphone jack in the future. This is probably done to promote their wireless earbuds. It supports Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C type is present here, NFC, GPS, all those kinds of stuff is actually here. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 has a triple camera setup on the rear with a 12 megapixel f/2.1 telephoto lens with optical image stabilization and 45-degree field of view. Then there's a wide angle lens with a 12 megapixel sensor with a variable aperture. and a 77-degree field of view, as well as optical image stabilization. Finally, there is an ultra-wide lens with a 123-degree field of view paired with 16-megapixel f/2.2 sensor, which lacks any kind of stabilization. Apart from the triple camera assembly, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus packs in an additional sensor at the back next to the flash, which Samsung is calling the VGA sensor, the depth vision camera. This will let you 3D scans of the objects will be taken using this. Both of the devices pack a 10 megapixel f/2.2 camera with an autofocus and 80-degree field of view, which is kind of, well, not. Which Samsung device should you get? In my opinion, if you can splurge the money, you should definitely get the Note 10 Plus, because it is a no compromise device, and if you're already spending close to $950 or 70,000 rupees, it kind of makes sense to get the actually better version of the Note device, which is bigger, has a larger battery, and has more features like the micro SD card slot expansion, more RAM. So overall, I think the Note 10 Plus is the much better choice. For $150, you are getting a lot. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video.